Liquor gone up in a brain. Hennessy a run through my vein. Champagne a drive me insane. Right now me even can't remember my name. Everybody get DUI, we no care about nothing get DUI. Drunk every day, ever stay high. We cup up with throat, never stay dry. So everybody get DUI, we no care about nothing get DUI. Drunk every day, cause we ever stay high. We cup up with throat, never stay dry. So don't forget, say me never sober. Me under the beat from Arizona. Planet Earth, Neil Armstrong, moonwalking. But guess who's talking? But getting from Earth to the knowledge of the dirt and not need a coffin. Uno better come back to life. Come back to reality. Come back to life. Come back to reality. Uno better come back to life. Come back to reality. Come back to life. Come back to reality. Where I come from, tongue in the belly of the beast. If I know happy birthday, I rest in peace. Product of the ghetto education week, unemployment percent still a increase. But them a try push me way down, but them know to themself I will never stay down. The battlefield and no playground, so if you make it in a life I will never lay down. We are who we are, changes come with the scar. Been through the fight, through the war, and still standing on the tar. Oh yeah, we are.
BADGETTN, Keneil Merital. What motivates you to do music?
What motivates me? It's the source of life and the structure of life, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
My strong motivation that. Straight. I know every friend. Well, I know every friend. Because me no follow friend. Tell them I know every friend you fitting grain. I know every foundation I steal. I know every cover you fitting sale. Or else you're not gonna know pain until you feel. I know every link is a good deal. I know every food is a good meal. I know every girl you fitting grail. Or else you're not gonna know pain until you feel. Well,
how you describe your style of music?
My style of music, BADGETTN, RG, Keneil Merital, Cory Merital, Merital for me overall. You see me I say, my style of music come from the art. You see me I say, what me say, how me utter. You get me I say, and me no fabricate story. You get me I say. I sing with feelings and emotions. You see me I say, so when I put out, if you don't like it, somebody must like it. You understand me? So it's feelings and emotion and my style of music that. Two eyes open, and my ears are listen for. Black people are what make we a war. Wise up, take your head out of the jar. Don't make them tell you God that come from the start. Two eyes open, and my ears are listen for. Black people are what make we a war. Wise up, take your head out of the jar. No make them tell you God that come from the start.
Keneil, you are no stranger to stardom due to the fact that you are a member of the Merital family. What experience did you gain from that and how does it impact your actions moving forward?
No stranger to stardom, real talk. I miss out one part, Pomo Empire. They don't know me can't forget Gaza, Vibes Cartel. They don't know freedom is a must, RIP, Cory Merital, always. You see me I say, alright, watch it. Moving forward and the impact. A lot of things to that, you know. Because where we are come from, or where me I come from, learn a lot. You see me I say, growth. I'm a mature to another standard. And if you listen to my recent song them, you're gonna understand. You understand me? That's why I kind of separate my song them from the regular song. You understand me? Other artists can sing some regular song. Me can't do it, you understand me? Because when I go read, I'm not thinking of myself, so I'm going to get no hit song from that, you understand me? So I do what I think is best. You feel me? I say so. I understand how stardom work, you understand me? Today you shine, tomorrow you may not. You understand me? So the thing just keep on going down like a cycle. You see me? I say so. At some point, you may have a point on the cycle and do jump off. You see me? I say so. You don't know, understand certain levels and certain standards. You see me I say? We don't know again. It's a big respect to Vibes Cartel to show we a different part. You understand me? A stardom. You understand me? Because you don't know a long time we are doing from Vibes Cartel come show we a different part. And you don't know. Big up Blade Merital team. Corner there now. Take it. button, like you see, go to one relay and move on to the next level. You see what I say? Man.
What about the community of flankers that make it produce so many stars?
Blessing of Father God be upon us. Community of flankers, you see me? Enough people may ask why Keneil Merital say that. Flanker. Anybody who come here, so they get some of the blessing of talent, you see me I say? So they have to prevail. From them of the music, dancing, even comedian, they have to prevail. So Rupu Puppet is asking, all the talent come from Boy, I said ways. You see me I say, big up Sheeny, CMA, Juggler, you hear that? Diamond, you deliver to CMA, Isla, and some of our talent, them, you see me I say, and so on. Dexter Pepper, you name it. Franchino, aka Unknown, you don't know. Tank up boss, big up yourself, CMA, you don't know. You're Flanker Band, CMA, Teledrive. You see me I say?
Do you get the respect and recognition that you deserve from your hometown of Montego Bay?
Respect, recognition. And recognition, on a whole, whether you're a celebrity or not, you always get recognition, you understand me? Even people want acknowledge it or not, you understand me? People may say and say, oh, it's Keneil Merital over this, it's a Merital over this. So me see and now come up to you, so me come up to you and say, you understand me? And make sure say, alright, are you that? You see me I say, but respect. Very difficult, you see me I say?
Why?
Why? Because a lot of people undermine greatness. You understand me? And you know when people undermine greatness, how that go. You understand me? Some people remember the goodness we do and the greatness we did do and the way you try put. You understand me? So if you gain certain respect, especially when some people feel like them in a peak of farm and them feel like them up on a high stool, you get me I say? So them undermine greatness there, so you kind of hard to get a respect from certain people on a whole. You understand me? Some people may show you the respect even if they're not real. You understand me? We still accept it same way, okay? You don't know we're all human beings. You know what I say?
Turn it up and go and play this aloud. War and fear, every trick is allowed, but getting around.
Yeah, this I know, when me retell I'm a can I say no. Some boy better quiet to have straight I say no. If me do what the devil say and dip in my powers, I one bag of rifle lift up I say no. Assassination, for you carry my name down a station. What a situation when me rise gun from every nation. Don't run or hide, because anywhere you go a invasion. We are the baddest alive, but getting things from creation.
Sacha, up and down, two clip tape together. Duct tape line up the two end together. Body and bullet, we put them together. Head back and head front, me I put them together. Mass up Cameron vest, fully combat tank say JCF. Body full of hole, have no face feel left.
People are now looking at Montego Bay as a place where music production is respected. Would you say that you, as a member of the Merital family, had contributed to it?
Before I answer the question, I answer the statement you make first. You said no, them just a look to you. I'm glad you said that. Because at least enough artists can get to eat the cake. No, I'm talking of parables. But then, when Merital contribute, we eat bulla. You see me I say? So some of the artists them no come get the cake. And respect that still, because at least enough eyes can. You understand me there on mobile, you know? But back then, all people contribute, man. Check it, man. We first create the Dirty Wine song. Mataran, get a piece. Like we say Frag Back, Marvin did say him. Big up yourself still. You see me I say? We say Shotgun. They will come to Boop and Ground Vibes Cartel, see? Gaza Camp. We say My Money, haha. We say pray every morning the rise up we see the sun. You understand me? And so on. You see me I say? So, what Merital not do? What some artists know what try to do. Yeah? In the western region and the whole matter of fact. So if you want that western region, we can talk about it. What Merital not do. Some artists not do that. So I tell you the previous question, some people undermine greatness. You understand me? But the real people, them now go do that. As I say, so Merital contribute a whole lot. Otherwise from Jackie, we go out there as Merital, dancehall artists. Jackie is a reggae artist. We go out as a dancehall artist and say, Moby, and we fight feet. We go in night, we fight feet. Nobody never look up on me and say, oh, come Merital because no, we go to Kingston, we fight feet, we sleep on ground. You see me I say, we there passa, we sleep in a car. The Vibes Cartel forward there so. And see the potential and say Merital forward. We there, we still have to fight same way. You understand me? Even when we do the work, we still not get the glory. You understand? We fight feet so till we win a group of the year over TOK, Voicemail, RDX and all of them people. You understand me? whole heap of fight, so we contribute a lot to this. You understand me? You understand me? So when you see some people walk past greatness, we just easy bounce and watch it and sing some song like BADGETTN. You see what I say?
What changes or improvements do you want to see as it relates to the music industry here in Montego Bay?
Unity. A whole heap of talented artists there. But without the unification, you're not going to be a great improvement. You just got certain artists. People accept and acknowledge. Remember saying, the artists them get over million views, Moby artists,
Call a few names.
TJ, Shaney, Rygin, you see me I say, and so on. You understand me? Remember saying, the line never did a shine for we, so without the unity, we never find the improvement.
Name a few of your previously released songs and where can they be found?
Our previously released song, I'm present as well too. We have a song called All Night, aka Beachbody featuring me and Amakan. Planet Earth, Wire featuring me and Amakan. BADGETTN again featuring me and Amakan. Until You Feel, you know what I mean? You can find them as various different musical online store, you understand me? You don't know it, you don't know the do, you don't know if you find them iTunes, etc. You see me I say, you do the do. You don't know, you can get to Keneil at Keneil Merital, that's Keneil Merital, at any social media. You understand me? Instagram, Facebook, do the maths. You don't know, WhatsApp, same way, Snap, Twitter, do the maths. You don't know, just go check out the new song them. Can't hopefully for YouTube, you don't know, this is the work there. You see me, I say Spotify, check out Merital Family on Spotify. You see me? Mad respect. You see me, I say Vivo channel coming soon, Keneil Merital, more than me.
How important to know and understand the business part of the music industry?
Copyright, publishing, very fundamental values that, this is the values we you them now welcome to this business. Now have to study it, from all different angles. We have to study music and the business. You understand? Because if you don't study business and just want a song alone, and when you get the song you want to forget, you never get robbed. You understand me? So you have to study the music, the business part of the music, because that's where the money can come in.
Thank you, Jah, my eyes are open. BADGETTN. Yo, Dashan. The devil transform in a many disguise. Some farm fool, just forget wise. Can't trick me with no bag of lies. Calm and a rebel from you looking at me eyes. Kill him son with him, say him have gun with him. We know the cops, them a lie deep down within. Jah know it puzzling, Jah know it puzzling. The dirty fucker, them a lie deep down within. Not a criminal, wasn't a criminal. Oh, them heartless killer, you're so clinical. Condition critical, subliminal and biblical. Why the lower class life always minimal? God, you're not sleep, Jah, you're not sleep. Them thing you cut my feelings deep. God, you're not sleep, Jah, you're not sleep. No one reason with you just for a week. God, you're not sleep, Jah, you're not sleep. Them thing you cut my feelings deep. God, you're not sleep, Jah, you're not sleep. No one reason with you just for a week. Devil transform in a many disguise. Some farm fool, just forget wise. Can't trick me with no bag of lies. Calm and a rebel from you looking at me eyes. No inner love with him, but still a fuck with him. So if you never want the man, why lie down with him? I know you're done with him, Jah know it puzzling. Up to your best friend, man, you give on with him. Them are some jagabite, dirty jagabite. Uno, fly a day, fly a night. Move them from in front my sight, take them from in front the light. Them wicked gal, yeah, them are all dirty parasite. God, you're not sleep, Jah, you're not sleep. Them thing you cut my feelings deep. God, you're not sleep, Jah, you're not sleep. No one reason with you just for a week. God, you're not sleep, Jah, you're not sleep.